Posh. Posh. Posh.
Extra, extra, read all about it.
The word posh implies formality, but a quick thesaurus search reveals that posh hangs out with many informal synonyms. A synonym is a word or phrase that means exactly or nearly the same as another word or phrase in the same language, such as teenager and adolescent. Knowledge of synonyms will increase your vocabulary, but understanding the context is vital. Posh and fashionable can have similar meanings in one situation, but not all. For example, a fashionable jacket can mean the same as a posh jacket. Though, when set side by side, fashionable teenagers and posh teenagers are different. A fashionable teenager indicates the adolescent follows the latest trends, but a posh teenager suggests the adolescent has a privileged background. Many videos discuss how to sound posh. However, the idea that speaking posh or with received pronunciation makes a better impression is old-fashioned. Still, some dinosaurs make judgments of people based on their voices. That must change. It's labeling a person inaccurately in almost all cases. People talk differently and in a range of appropriate ways for the context. Suppose a job candidate wants to impress a prospective employer, or a love interest wants to make a good impression on their future partner's family. In that case, projecting a more confident tone is beneficial. What's more, many variants beyond our control can affect how we sound. Nerves can sometimes get the better of us. Noisy situations can force us to raise our volume, influencing our speech pattern. And allergies or cold symptoms make our voice nasal and monotone or leave us with no voice at all. Many call center operators get the job because of their British regional accents. Often, a Northern English, Welsh or Scottish voice will respond to your query. It's said to offer an anxious customer a friendlier, warmer, and more caring voice. Equally, many Brits believe that speaking with a posh accent can make you seem cold, severe, or arrogant. But again, an individual's accent does not reflect their character. The key is to communicate clearly. Speaking is a skill. It takes effort and determination, like learning to master an instrument. Experts say it takes 10,000 hours of training to become proficient at something. Watch, learn, and advance with your intonation and pronunciation by listening to people talk. It's a fantastic way to improve your listening and absorb new words and phrases into your vocabulary. Often learners and teachers forget that listening plays a crucial role in our conversational abilities. Seek out like-minded people to speak with and help each other. People will happily chat with you if you can listen, understand, and show interest. Immerse yourself in situations that force you to use the target language. But go in prepared. Write notes on what to say and possible questions and responses. The more students train their voices, the less daunting a social situation becomes, ultimately gaining confidence. And that is far more meaningful than learning to sound posh. Posh is a versatile word. It works as an adjective, as in a posh hotel. It works as an informal adverb, though it's more British, as in, she talks posh. Or formally, you might say, poshly. As a noun, it states the quality of being stylish or elegant. That car is the height of posh, or poshness. And when you want to posh something up, the word functions as a verb. He's getting poshed up for the party. Lesson learned.